You always hear me talk about how I make over $250K a year as a freelance insurance adjuster, but getting started in this field is actually really difficult. What you don't hear me talk about is how much I do to help other new adjusters get ahead. So in this video, I'm going to give you a sneak peek of a resume review I did for one of the adjusters that I mentor. And if this shit sounds interesting, give me a pound emoji in the comments, and I'll tell you what to do next. Immediately, the first glance at this resume, you know what you see. It's the entire state of Florida in the top right corner. I love this touch because it immediately catches your eye and really puts a lot of great design to it. Great move on that. Looking deeper into it, we're going to break this down into a few different parts. We'll look at above the fold, and then we'll look at these two different columns. Independent insurance adjuster, located in Northeast Florida for your convenience. I don't love that. It crowds it a little bit. Don't think that's too necessary. It's not a big deal, whatever you decide to do. The color contrasts a little too much, and it's kind of hard to see, but this isn't a very big deal. Independent insurance adjuster. You're located in Jacksonville, Florida. And you do mention exactly where you're from, okay, just in case somebody doesn't know Jacksonville, Florida. Overall, I think this is great. You've got a stock photo here. I'm not sure if this is actually you. I'm imagining it's not, but I always like that personal touch where it's actually you, but I think in this case it's so ambiguous that you might be able to get away with it not being. Overall, great above the fold. So education, Kaplan, financial education, Florida resident, all lines adjuster, license number, That's fine. The Kaplan financial education, I don't know if that's really necessary. Looking below the fold here, you don't have a whole lot of open space. It's a bit wordy. It's not over the top. It's definitely not the worst I've seen, but it is a little bit crowded. So if you can do away with Kaplan financial education, I would consider that. Florida license, certifications, field property mastery. You got all of our certifications on there from Adjuster U. You've got some credentials outside of Adjuster U, which is always appreciated. Our training is meant so that you don't need other training to get started, but having other training certainly does not hurt. And you've got the HAG Certified Residential Reviewer Level 1. Cool. Adjuster Pro. You've got a couple an Adjuster Pro course right here. Florida State University, bachelor's degree in exercise physiology, Bachelor of Science. You really don't need this on here because it really isn't related. No one's going to read that and say, oh, well, he's got that, so let's do it. Including that Florida State graduate, you could just put that and it's going to have the same effect, or graduated from Florida State in 2000, whatever, maybe put a Seminole on there, something like that. Gives it a little bit more flair, might give it a little bit more personality, but knowing that you have a degree in exercise physiology, it's not going to help.